The liver is the second largest organ in our body and should be given the same importance as the brain and the heart. It is a key player of the body's digestive system. The liver functions are very important in our body and contributes to the digestive functioning for effective metabolism. Over the past decade, there has been a steady rise in the number of cases of liver diseases. World Liver Day is observed on the 19th of April every year. At MediCircle, on occasion of World Liver Day, we are speaking to eminent gastroenterologists and hepatologists to build awareness about the healthy functioning of the liver. Hi, this is Sana Khan, and today in this initiative, we are going to speak to Dr. Ankur Garg. Dr. Ankur Garg is one of the most renowned liver surgeons in India. His expertise encompassed a huge amount of experience which spans to nearly 14 years of his pristine medical career. He's an expert in liver-related treatments and surgeries. Dr. Garg specializes in all surgeries pertaining to gastrointestinal infection tracts, like surgery for pancreas, esophageal surgery, liver abscess, liver transplant, and many more. Dr. Ankur has super specialization in MCH HPB surgery and liver transplant from one of the elite Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences in New Delhi. For this, he attained the honors by the former President of India, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad. During his course of career, he worked in different well-known multi-speciality hospitals and is currently associated with Nanavati Hospital in Mumbai. Please welcome Dr. Ankur Garg. Hi, Dr. Ankur, how are you?
Hello, Sana. I'm very well. Thank you so much for a nice introduction.
It is our pleasure, sir. Okay, so Dr. Ankur, what does the liver do?
So liver is a complex organ, it is called as the main factory house of our body. So right from complex, all metabolic functions, yes, we eat food, and for all common layman, it is that, the digestion takes part in the intestine. Yes, digestion does takes part in intestine, but once all the food is absorbed, everything, by the bloodstream, it goes to the liver. And liver is, what takes care, where carbohydrates, protein, and in fact, even the fat metabolism is being taken care of.
Right.
What is to be used by body, what is to be stored by body. So in day-to-day body functioning, that is the most important prime function of the body. And another very important function that liver does is, as we all know, that we have red blood cells in our body. Right. And they have a fixed lifespan of 100 to 120 days. So every time these red blood cells get broken down, so this hemoglobin, the part that gets broken down from the red blood cells, it is degraded and, is brought into circulation and reused again by the liver. Okay. That is what we call, where bilirubin gets formed. Right. So it has got a very important role as far as the recirculation of red blood cell destruction is concerned. Of course, metabolism, it is a storehouse. It takes care of all our sugar and glycogen storage issues, whether we are fasting, how much amount of sugar we are consuming, and when we are not having food. So liver is what takes care of that, how to provide the energy to the body. And apart from this, majority of the drugs, around 70 to 80% of the medicines that we consume, for various diseases and disorders, they're all metabolized in the liver. They have been broken down in the liver, and that is how body is able to excrete them, either in the bile, in the urine, or the feces. So if we go by the list, so the list is so long that, even a whole day can go, that what liver does. So it is one of the most complex organ functions as far as body is concerned. Right. And that's why, there is no machine like dialysis for kidney, which has still been there in medical science, which can capture the functions of liver.
Correct. Dr. Ankur, how can I keep my liver healthy?
So the easiest thing to keep liver is healthy is to keep yourself healthy. Right. So liver automatically remains healthy. So it's a very low demand organ in that way. And liver is the only one organ in the human body, which has a good regenerative capacity. Like even if we remove somebody 65 to 70% of the liver, a person can have absolutely normal life, and that remaining liver regenerates. So liver is the only one organ in an adult human body which has a capacity to regenerate. Keeping liver healthy is all about, keeping a healthy lifestyle. By healthy lifestyle, I mean both diet as well as a physical activity.
Okay.
So if we have a balanced diet and we have a good lifestyle, everything gets taken care of. There are no special things which need to be done to keep liver healthy.
So following a healthy diet as well as exercising is important.
Yeah. So that's what I say, that one who keeps himself healthy, his liver is always going to be healthy.
Okay. How does being overweight or obese affect my liver?
See, overweight and obesity, they both, ultimately any obese person or any overweight person will have more of fat in his body. And definitely his diet will also consume more of carbohydrate as compared to proteins and fats. So all this extra fat and these carbohydrates, as they deposit are under skin and, one looks fatty, similarly, they get absorbed, deposited in the liver also. And that is what gives rise to fatty liver. So if we see the present lifestyle and the present changing trends in scenario, as of today, 15 to 20% of the liver failure patients, they are ultimately suffering because of this long-standing fatty liver. So overweight and diabetes is definitely one factor which disturbs liver health. It is primarily because liver cells start getting replaced with the fat cells, and that is where the functioning of
Correct.
liver goes down.
Right, right. Okay, Dr. Ankur, what's the
So
best diet to follow for our liver health, a better liver health?
see, the best diet to follow for a liver health is to have a balanced diet. So balanced diet means that it has to be a balanced proportion between proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Majority of the as far as India subcontinent is concerned, we have a lot of carbohydrate intake. We have a misbalance, so a lot of protein intake is mismatched by carbohydrates, and that is what gives rise to liver health problems also. But if we have a balanced diet, so there is no specific diet which is healthy for liver. A well-balanced diet, whether you're a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian or belonging to any ethnic sector across the world, a balanced diet is what gets taken care of. So there is no special diet, which we need to protect our liver. Like, for muscle building, we say that we should have extra proteins. For keeping heart healthy, we should say, we should have less fats and oils. But a balanced diet, a well-balanced diet as per the age and the physical activity of a person keeps liver very well healthy.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ankur, for your time, valuable time and insights with us. And it has been a pleasure having you on the show.